need to win the people, for heaven's sake. We just need a solid majority. That's what democracy is about. It's not winning the people, right? That's the romantics. What we need is a coalition that actually works. What we would really like, and I'm a child of Thatcherism, what we would really like is a hegemonic bloc. Is a powerful coalition that doesn't bring everyone in. Where did this silly phrase come on? Of bringing everyone along, no one left behind. When was the last time historical change happened in that matter? It doesn't happen like that. Right? What you do is you build a hegemonic bloc and then you bulldoze and silence your opponents out of the way. That's how you actually do politics. And then you bulldoze and silence your opponents out of the way. That's how you actually do politics. And if we're claiming we have a paradigm, then for heaven's sake, we ought to stand up and believe. We ought to have the courage of our own convictions. We need to be tougher. What we need to build is our own bulldozer, our own machine, right? What we need is our own version of Tina. There is no alternative. That has to be the logic of our movement. Yes, there are obstacles. Yes, there is obstinacy. Yes, there may be. We were told this morning, apparently Habeck's ministry has done the polling. 30% of Germans who, when gifted a heat pump, would still not take it. Well, I would say those are the people we bulldoze. The 70% who do want the free heat pump get it. And we give it to them first, and then we let everyone else watch. And if you still don't want it, when your neighbour's got free power, well then, heaven help you, we might need to regulate you. Well then, heaven help you, we might need to regulate you. But that really will be on you. The 70% who want the heat pumps, we go with them. In every community where they say yes, we give them the heat pump, and then we push. And ultimately what this means is not the question of can we win the people, but can we build coalitions? Can we find people to take along with us? Can we, and this is the hubristic conclusion that I felt really cautious about, but it's inherent in any major project of political change, was always part of the big projects of the 20th century, is can we make the people that we need for the project that we want to pursue?